Yes. Again we'll continue with redox reaction. Next example, SO2 plus H2S gives H2O plus S. So in this reaction, what are the two reactants? SO2 sulfur dioxide and H2S hydrogen sulfide. So we'll see this SO2 is changing to which product? H2O or S. So in SO2 oxygen is attached. So it is losing oxygen. When it will lose oxygen, it will change to S. So sulfur. So SO2 is changing to sulfur. How? By loss of oxygen. And what is loss of oxygen? Reduction. What is loss of oxygen? Reduction. So which substance is reduced? Which is losing oxygen? Who is losing oxygen? SO2. So which substance is reduced? SO2. And the substance reduced is which agent? Just opposite, oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent is SO2. Your second reactant is H2S. What is attached to H2S? Hydrogen. So this H2S is changing to S, sulfur. How? By losing this hydrogen. This H2S, it cannot change to H2O because in H2S with sulfur what is attached? Hydrogen. With hydrogen what is attached? Sulfur. So it will either lose or gain hydrogen or oxygen. So in this reactant with sulfur, hydrogen is there. So it will lose hydrogen. So H2S, it will lose hydrogen and it will change to sulfur. And what is loss of hydrogen? Oxidation. What is loss of hydrogen? Oxidation. So which substance is losing hydrogen? H2S. So H2S is getting oxidized. So substance oxidized is H2S. And the substance which is oxidized is what type of agent? Reducing agent. So reducing agent is H2S. Clear? So till here what I have explained, redox reaction on the basis of loss or gain of oxygen. Next, loss or gain of hydrogen. If you take oxygen, then what is oxidation? Gain of oxygen. And what is reduction? Loss of oxygen. But if you take hydrogen, then what is oxidation? Just opposite. Loss of oxygen is reduction. Loss of hydrogen is oxidation. And gain of hydrogen is reduction. Now next, come here. Next reaction. Magnesium Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Here in this reaction, I am going to explain oxidation and reduction on the basis of loss and gain of electron. Because we can explain this redox reaction in three different ways. On the basis of loss or gain of oxygen, on the basis of loss or gain of hydrogen, and on the basis of loss or gain of electrons. So in this reaction, I am going to explain redox reaction, means oxidation and reduction on the basis of loss or gain of electron. So if you take electron, in that case also, same like hydrogen it will go. In hydrogen, what is loss of hydrogen? What is loss of hydrogen? Oxidation. And in case of electron also, loss of electron is oxidation. And gain of electron is reduction. This you will keep in mind. Hydrogen and electron, oxidation and reduction you will explain in the same way. If you take hydrogen, what is loss of hydrogen? Oxidation. If you take electron, then loss of electron, oxidation. Clear? And what is gain of electron? Reduction. Hydrogen, if you take gain of hydrogen, that also reduction. Clear? So now look here. Look here, MgO, magnesium oxide. It is an ionic compound. Magnesium is positive ion, 2 plus. Oxide is negative ion, 2 minus. Both are strongly attracted by electrostatic force of attraction. And what type of bonding is formed? Ionic bond, and this compound magnesium oxide is there. So in magnesium oxide, one is positive ion, the other is negative ion. Clear? Now this magnesium, what are the two reactants? Magnesium and oxygen. This magnesium is changing to MgO. Okay. Only one product is there. Magnesium is changing to MgO. But here how I will explain it? This magnesium is changing to Mg2 plus in MgO. Magnesium is changing to Mg2 plus in MgO. How? How magnesium is changing to Mg2 plus? How positive ion is formed? By loss of electron. Magnesium is losing its electron. It is losing 2 electron and it is changing to Mg2 plus. And what is loss of electron? Oxidation. What is loss of electron? Oxidation. So which substance is losing electron? Magnesium. So which substance is oxidized? Substance oxidized is magnesium. And the substance which is oxidized is what type of agent? Reducing agent. So reducing agent is magnesium. Our second reactant is oxygen. Oxygen is changing to O2 minus. Oxide ion. O2 minus. Oxygen is changing to O2 minus. How? Negative ion is formed by gain of electron. So oxygen is gaining electron and changing to O2 minus, oxide ion. And what is gain of electron? Reduction. And who is gaining this electron? Oxygen. Magnesium is losing 2 electron. Who is gaining that 2 electron? Oxygen. So oxygen is gaining electron and getting reduced. So oxygen is, what is happening with oxygen? Reduction. So substance reduced is oxygen. And the substance which is reduced is what type of agent? Oxidizing agent. And what is oxidizing agent? O2. Here, why this oxygen is oxidizing agent? Because it is helping magnesium to get oxidized. It is helping magnesium. Oxygen is helping magnesium to get oxidized. How magnesium is getting oxidized? By loss of electron. So who is gaining that oxygen? Who is gaining that electron? Oxygen is gaining that electron. So oxygen is helping magnesium to get oxidized by gaining electron. So oxygen is oxidizing agent. And magnesium, it is helping oxygen to get reduced. Magnesium is helping oxygen to get reduced. How oxygen is getting reduced? By gain of electron. So who is giving that oxygen? Magnesium is giving that oxygen. It is losing oxygen. And it is giving to, magnesium is losing electron. And it is giving its electron to oxygen. And oxygen is gaining that electron and getting reduced. So magnesium is helping oxygen to get reduced. How? By giving electron. So magnesium is what type of agent? Reducing agent. Clear?